You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the door. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a car trim removal tool and a flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic cover from under the door handle. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the first screw holding the door panel. Remove the retaining rivet by levering it out with a flathead screwdriver. Then a pair of needle nose pliers. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the power window and side mirror controls. Disconnect the two connectors by pressing on the retaining tabs. Remove the controls. Then unscrew the second screw holding the door panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Then place it gently against the door so as to not pull on the cables. You can now remove the sound insulation by gently pulling on the rubber plug that holds it in place. Disconnect the side mirror connector by pressing the plastic tab with the fork and then pulling on it. Then unclip the electrical sheath from the door panel. Then extract it from the second harness. Using a fork and a pair of pliers, remove the first blanking plug, which gives access to a nut holding the side mirror in place. You now have access to the first two nuts holding the side view mirror. Using a multi-bit screwdriver, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the first two nuts holding the side view mirror in place. Finish unscrewing by hand. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Remove the second shutter cover. Then unscrew the third nut using the same tools. Take off the side view mirror. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new side mirror. Unscrew the plastic end supplied with it. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Then screw the three nuts back in, by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Clip the harness back into the door panel. Route the connectors behind the harness. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the insulation back on, along with the plug that holds it in place. Then put the second plug back on. Bring the inner door panel closer. Pass the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls through the opening in the door panel. Start by sliding the upper part of the door panel into its rail. Then press on the edge of the door panel to clip it securely into its slots. Screw the armrest screw back on. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls. Put the controls back on, inserting the front part of the control unit first. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Put the rivets back in place. Tighten the screw back into the door handle. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.